Welcome to part 2 of my tutorial. Let's start off by selecting your first image or video from an existing folder and drag it to the timeline panel. You can now see default tracks in the timeline. Video is V1 to 3, while audio is A1 to 3. Use V1 as your main video track. V2 onwards are for supporting visuals such as text overlays. Now let's add another video clip. Click and drag clips across the timeline to rearrange them. You can play around to get the hang of it. Adjust the timeline view by expanding, contracting, or moving the slider at the bottom of the panel. To trim a clip, move your cursor to the left or right end of a clip. A trim symbol will appear. Simply click and drag to trim the clip. Hold Shift to select multiple clips and move them around. Use the razor tool to cut the clip into 2 or more clips. Now that it's cut, you can shift the clip to wherever you want. Use the ripple tool to adjust an edit point and move other clips in the timeline to compensate. Hit backspace or delete to delete the clip. If you made an error, simply click Edit on the top of the app and undo. Now for some background music. Add audio clips to an audio track by dragging and dropping. Editing audio clips is similar to video clips. Adjust the timeline view to your preference and take your time to get comfortable with the interface. To expand an audio track view, click on the track at the left side of the timeline panel. To adjust the vertical track view, you can move, expand, or contract the slider at the right of the panel. That's all for the basics and thanks for watching. Do check out my other Premiere Pro tutorials to learn more.